Okay, this is recipe number 128 with the rice cooker. This is 2 steamed tortillas with rice, cabbage, and hot sauce. And down below, we've got some seafood. We've got some whiting, some herring, some shrimp, and some mussels, and some basmati rice with some turmeric to make it a little yellow. Did I mention the shrimp? And mushrooms. And a little bit of kale just to give it some color. Oop, there we go. I made this twice before. It's going to need a little bit of soy sauce. And we're good to go. Y'all want to give this a try.